Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Digi Desktops. I'm Landon, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the graphics card. What am I going to talk about in this video? I'm going to be talking about what a graphics card is, what to look for when choosing the right graphics card, the PCIe slot that the graphics card goes in, what a core clock is and what a boost clock is, what a memory interface is, what CUDA cores are, what OpenGL is, and the graphics card that I'm going to install in my PC and why. So what is a graphics card? A graphics card is also known as a video card. The graphics card is also responsible for everything that you see when you turn on your PC. What should you look for when choosing the right graphics card? You should look for core clock speed, boost clock speed, the interface, the memory size, the price, DirectX, the memory interface, the memory type, cooling, and CUDA cores. The PCIe slot that the graphics card goes in. The PCIe slot is the X16 PCIe slot. What is a core clock? A core clock refers to the speed of the cores on a graphics processor. Cores on a GPU are similar to cores on a CPU. What is a boost clock? A boost clock is what the system will try to run at when conditions allow it. This means the system will perform a boost clock if the temperature is low enough and the nature of the workload is such that the VRMs can supply enough clean power to the chip to do it at that speed. What is a memory interface? A memory interface is a free software tool used to generate memory controllers and interfaces. What are CUDA cores? CUDA cores are parallel processors similar in a computer, which may be dual or quad core processor. They are responsible for various tasks that allow the number of cores to relate directly to the speed and power of the GPU. The more CUDA cores you have, the better. What is OpenGL? OpenGL is a cross-language, cross-platform application programming interface for rendering 2D or 3D vector graphics. Keep in mind, application programming interface is also known as API. The API is typically used to interact with the graphics processing unit, or GPU, to achieve hardware-accelerated rendering. What graphics card am I going to install on my PC and why? The graphics card that I'm going to install on my PC is the Asus GeForce 2060 Super. Here's why. It has 1500 core clock, 1710 boost clock, 2167 CUDA cores, 8 gigs of memory, 256 memory interface, clock memory is 14,000, and the price is $400. So on your screen, you should see in my left hand my new graphics card, and in my right hand the old graphics card. So you could just see the difference. First, in my left hand, my new graphics card, it has RGB, it has pleats on the left, on the back and the front, and it has 3 fans. And as for my old graphics card in my right hand, it only has 1 fan and it's not protected at all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Diggity out.